Problems 15 and 16 from worksheet H1-3. We're still evaluating expressions for given variables. For 15, we have ax plus by plus c equals 0, and they're asking us to isolate x. I'm going to recopy the problem here first, just so it's a little bit bigger. What we're focused on here is this x, and what is attached to x is a. So there's a couple approaches we could take here. If we wanted to just get the ax by itself, we need to get rid of everything that's not attached to it. We could take it here. How do I get rid of a plus c? Well, I could subtract a c from each side. How could I get rid of a plus by? Well, I could subtract a by from each side. That would leave us here with that zeroing out. That would zero out, leaving us with ax is equal to, and I'm going to rewrite these back in kind of alphabetical order. So I have that negative by and minus c. To get x by itself, then all we're going to need to do is just divide each side by a. And then we have an answer. X is equal to negative by minus c all divided by a. Now, is that the only way to do it? No. We could take that here. We have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And instead of moving the by and the c over, we could take this term, this ax term, we could get rid of it. Let's just move it over to the other side. So I have minus ax on each side. We're left with by plus c is equal to a negative a times x. And if I want x by itself, I could just take it and divide each side by a negative a. So I have by plus c all divided by negative a is going to equal x. These two statements that we have here are equivalent to each other. Notice they just have the opposite signs. So it's just two ways of writing the exact same thing. Number 16, we have 0.5 h times the quantity of a plus b should equal the area. Okay, so if our area is equal to 1/2 times the height times a plus b, I believe that's the area of a trapezoid. You guys took geometry, you should be able to tell me. Now here we go. We're going to try to solve this one for b. I'm going to recopy the problem. We have capital A of 0.5 h times the quantity of a plus b. Since our goal here is to get this b by itself, right now it's trapped inside these grouping symbols. We are multiplying that quantity times all of this. So maybe we want to try to get the quantity by itself, so we're going to take it here and let's just go ahead and divide both sides by 0.5 h. We now have that the area divided by half the height should equal a plus b. And now I will take it to get b by itself. Just subtract the lowercase a from each side. So I have a over 0.5 h minus the lowercase a is going to equal b. And that's it. Now, could that also be written other ways? Yeah, it could. Let's just go ahead and look at one way here just so everybody's feeling comfortable in case you got a different looking answer. Let's say 0.5 h times the quantity of a plus b. All right, so one other way we could look at doing this here, right? If I have half of an h and I wanted to make it a whole h, what could I multiply that by? I can multiply that by a 2. And if I multiply that side of the equation by 2, I'd have to multiply the other side of the equation by 2. So we'd be left with 2 times a is equal to, so 2 times this 0.5 gives us 1. So it's like 1 times h, or just still h, times the quantity of a plus b. And now all we have to do is just divide by the h. So we have 2 times a divided by h is going to equal a plus b. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll subtract the a from each side. So we have 2 times capital A divided by H. We have minus A is also equal to B. And that's it. If you have questions about that, please reach out to me here. That one can be a little bit more confusing, but it's not a major thing if you're struggling with that one. All right. Thanks for watching.